Hey guys, we woke up, we ate breakfast, and first we went to Heart's Desire Beach, and now we're going to Kauai Beach, and like it's a really long trail thing. So look, it does say tsunami hazard ahead, so.
Hold on one second, it says dangerous surf.
So, yeah, Dad, I think they, shark area.
Oh, Mom's not scared at all, is she?
That's good. But gotta walk a lot. So, but well,
We're not sure how long of a walk this is,
Sometimes
but
the best beaches are the prettiest. Look at all this.
But Muir Beach is so cool because like it was like going
like
up,
South
and
Road.
it was literally like almost a circle. What?
hope it caught Mama saying that.
What'd you say?
Oh, watch out. Sophie's scared of a white butterfly.
Wait, what'd you say? Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. We're getting closer. We've been walking for 5 minutes now, or maybe like 10 minutes. Mommy said she could like pee on the side of the road since there's nobody here. And then she said that someone walks by. Okay, we're going uphill and the sand really kicked in and we're all walking like this now. And the sand's hot too. Oh my gosh, look, wait! Look at those waves! Oh, we made it! Is it hot? Wait, it's actually not that hot. Oh my god, the sand feels so good. Oh! It's literally like feet are being buried in it. Mom, you can take off your shoes now.